I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enhance your account security on MEXC, enabling two-factor authentication is a great step. Here is how to do it in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your MEXC account using your credentials. This is where you'll access the security settings. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to the account section and find the security settings. This is where you can manage your authentication options. Step 3. Choose your authentication method. Select the method you want to use for two-factor authentication. You can choose between SMS or an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Step 4. Follow the setup instructions. If you choose the Authenticator app, scan the QR code provided on the screen with your app. If you're using SMS, enter your phone number and wait for the verification code. Step 5. Confirm and save settings. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure verification details are ready. Remember, if you lose access to your Authenticator app, recovering your account can be tricky, so keep backup codes safe. Happy securing your account.